Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today in this video we're gonna see how to crochet this cute and easy crochet cord bracelets. This is made with cotton yarn, size 3 cotton yarn from Premier Yarns, the cotton sprout yarn, and it's a very simple and easy pattern that you can easily work many bracelets in less time. And you can also use this cord as a bag handle or even a lanyard cord or a keyring cord. The written pattern of this cute crochet cord bracelet is available at my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link is in description. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So for this project I'll be using cotton sprout yarn from Premier Yarns in color turquoise, and it's a nice fine size 3 yarn, ideal for working this crochet cord. And I'll need some bracelet charms. I got them from Michael's. You can also buy them from Amazon. And I'll need scissors, and I'm going to use 4.5mm crochet hook for this project. Make sure your crochet hook is nice and smooth because the work tends to get tighter. So if it is a rough hook, it's going to be difficult for you to work this cord. So starting, work a slip knot and then work 2 chains. And then once you have worked 2 chains, insert your hook onto the first chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now turn your work from left to right. Now you find 1 loop on your left, insert your hook onto that loop and yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on the hook. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Once again, turn your work from left to right. From now on, you will find 2 loops on your left side. Insert your hook on both the loops, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Once again, turn your work from left to right. You have 2 loops on your left. Insert your hook onto the 2 loops, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on the hook, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You're going to keep repeating this step over and over again. This forms a cord which looks like a macrame cord. So I have again turned my work from left to right. Now I'm inserting my hook onto the 2 loops on the left side. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So go ahead, keep repeating this step over and over again until you have a crochet cord that measures about 15 inches in length. So make sure you don't work your stitches very tight, because this cord tends to tighten and it will be difficult for you to insert your hook onto the 2 loops on the left, because they get to tighten if you work too tight, if your stitches are too tight. So make sure you work loosely or you crochet loosely. So in that way it will be easier for you to work this cord. So it can also be used, this card can also be used as a lanyard card, or you can use it for a keyring cord. It's totally up to you. The projects that you can work with this cord is endless. So go ahead, follow along the video and work this cord. So now you'll have to repeat this step over and over again until you have a cord that measures about 15 inches in length. So the cord that I have made now will go around my wrist twice, and if you wish to have extra rounds around your wrist, you'll have to go ahead, keep repeating this step until you have your desired length. Now this cord that I have made measures about 15 inches in length. So that's it. You will weave your ends and work slip stitch and weave both the ends, and we can attach the charm and metal ring to it. So you can see this goes twice around my wrist. So now I am going to fasten off, weave my ends. Now you can see I have attached the metal ring on one side and the charm with the hook on the other side. So this can also be used as a lanyard cord or a keyring cord or even a bag cord. It's the project that you can work with this cord is endless. So I hope you enjoyed making this crochet cord bracelet with me. So I have made the same pattern and worked many other bracelet in different color. Everything turned out to be too good, and it's a very simple and easy project. And if you are a craft seller, and this is an ideal and easy project for you to sell in craft fairs, or you can also use this as a friendship bracelets. So try this project at home and let me know your comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you would like a written pattern of this crochet cord bracelet, the link is available in the description on my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.